Today we're visiting the charming market town of Beverley. We'll visit a gothic masterpiece and look at the former toll that existed within Beverley. We're looking at Beverley Bar, a 15th century gate and former toll. You'll find it between North Bar Without and North Bar Within. Strange names, I know. It was built in 1409 at a cost of £98. Coronation Gardens. This site was once part of a Georgian townhouse and was later used as a parish burial ground. Can you see all the stones lined up against the walls? We're looking at St Mary's Church. Why not visit it and see if you can find the 15th century stone carving of pilgrim hair, widely believed to be the inspiration for Lewis Carroll's White Rabbit in Alice in Wonderland. Beverley's got a lot to offer. It's got a lot of independent shops, lots of cafes, bars and restaurants. It's even got a common that's just on the outskirts called Westwood Common, and that sits alongside the famous racecourse. So we're just approaching Saturday Market, and at the other side of town you'll find Wednesday Market. Strange that here in Beverley they've named them respectively Saturday Market and Wednesday Market. We're now on Toll Gavel. This place derives its name from where street tolls were collected between the two markets.
It's just
It's a market town.
yeah.
We're now coming on to Butcher Row, a medieval street that was named after its original trade of butchering and local leather.
Yeah, go in. Yeah.
The old fellow that booked it said he was born in Beverley.
I will pass him on the house. I will.
And here's the area called Wednesday Market. Beverley Minster, once described as a gothic masterpiece and one of the largest parish churches in England. And when we get up closer you'll see what I mean.